Back to As E Dey Hot on top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195, and this is the OGBONGE program wey give you license to talk am as e dey be you for body. The kind things wey be say you no go fit discuss anywhere else, we dey discuss am on top of As E Dey Hot, so that the ordinary Nigerian like me and you go fit chook mouth for the matter and learn and know plenty as e take concern all the things wey happen. Today, as we dey do every Monday, we dey look all the ogbonge things wey happen for weekend. We don take 3 stories. The first one now about xenophobia when they happen for South Africa, and collectively we don't use our mouth condemn them and don't call all the people when they involved, say make them take action so that the bad thing when they happen for South Africa go stop. The second one now the payment of one senior legislator inside our Obodo Nigeria, Senator Uchenna Chukwu Merije, when we say at 75 years he don't go join Baba God. And the third one they discuss before we go break. Now the disease outbreak when happen inside Ondo State, we dey check all the sides to the story. The one when come at us say na dead body, the one when come at us say na metaphysical, and finally wetin the World Health Organization talk. Nkubi, you been the yarn before.
Yes, I been talk say the World Health Organization don't come out, come release statement say that is na Gregory Harty be the spokesperson we can talk say e be like say na one kind pesticide poisoning. See now if you be na in dey behind this death, I can say okay, pesticide poisoning. Where and where this pesticide poisoning come from? Now be the question, because for us, if we people they feel say now metaphysical this thing dey behind, where pesticide issue coming from?
Nobody, but the issue be say if we look this matter well, and make we not just conclude say na metaphysical.
Now still see everybody they try we say if it be this one, if it be that one. They never really come, because even they don't even conduct text.
No, now the test when World Health Organization do, now in can show say that na pesticide. And that you are like,
but bear in mind, it's not likely they use. See, if it be
that's say, because they never conclude and an experiment. But the Commissioner for Health come out talk say the people when be say when they don't check the background and the movement of the people that day, they discover say many of them come up from one agbo jedi joint. And if you check the kind of things when they use, they make agbo jedi now from roots. So if possible, you feel link am. You understand? The World Health Organization be say then carry out their test. You know the beautiful thing about science be say na experiment. No be superstition. As they don't carry out their test, come see say okay, oh now pesticide. They can't trace so like 3-4 people out of them. They want to go jedi joint. Now I make them come join 2 and 2 together. Let me say me I no talk say you know if it be metaphysical, but I want to emphasize say information is key.
Now no, you get the exactly say one they say now this thing they visit one particular place and now there they can't do it they can't carry the disease. Say make we know they do it because now from rumor they start once people don't hear this particular thing. Because see, a lot of us go on carry up. Nigerians are good at saying, see, they say this thing, they are attached to this particular event. And for that reason, we no go want to make anybody will even make me say visit that place or you get anything to do with that particular place where they talk say that thing happen from. The go see Nigerians go do it, they go avoid such person. Say, make nobody say don't go carry this thing, disease will happen for this kind of place. True. So you see, now until we get the cocoa will be the cocoa fact. Now we talk say yes, see waiting happen, see waiting lead to these diseases, and see waiting lead to people buying anyhow.
Very true. But the most important thing is say the World Health Organization don't quickly step into the matter, and the thing sweet my belly, because for the World Health Organization to take this quick move to use fit check the thing to see say okay and like this be make people dey more careful. Now indication say very soon we no go hear anything about the disease again. Finally, the major story wey we go look today na story wey we say when the thing first break for news this weekend when pass, plenty people catch cold. Some people begin they get stomach pain because the kind report when we say the newspaper carry na things wey shock people. Make a break them down. One leading newspaper for inside our Obodo Nigeria yesterday on Sunday carry headline say our Oga Presido in office them that they demand for 2 trillion naira. If I want talk trillion for pidgin, I go talk say na uncountable, because a machine no fit count and they know they count on top of finger. And if you put 0.000000000, it go long from here reach Kafanchan. Now waiting 2 trillion be. And they can't talk and say, Oga President, he look, say, after he spend this kind of money, he still lose election. They go back on April 11 to contest gubernatorial, they still lose the election somehow. Now he going to demand, say, okay, the people when they give the money to campaign directors, ministers, groups and everything, say make they return the money or else something go happen.
Well, the thing we say, election don't come, it don't go. And then because of say, even the people who even carry on still use the word alleged. Alleged. Because alleged means say under probability. You know, you never come out talk say yes. If he be seen now waiting he be, say now waiting he be. So it's still there under probability, and no be from our own mouth. Now go also here say not true. So, but if you go make also check out, if it turns out to be true, it is say not true. Assuming say not true. Okay, one we did very much aware say. When they do their campaign, this thing, when the ruling party do their campaign launch, we'll be say how much they see they raise? 21.7 billion naira. Okay, but at 21.7 billion naira, we want listener waiting they do this, waiting they do their campaign. Meanwhile, make also be in mind say 21.7 billion.
That's still big money.
That's still big money compared to the official money we are next making no spend, which is 1 billion naira. Okay, from 1 billion naira to 21.7. Now, can they hear say 2 trillion? 2 trillion. Because okay, it's not 2 trillion, which means here. Anyway.
But the talk person of the federal government or the office of the Oga President, Oga Ruben Abati, don't come out, come talk say that story they fictitious, say the thing they misleading, say the thing na misinformation and the thing they mischievous. This for English, time in take use describe them, and this one don't show say if you go use this kind for strong English describe one story, it means say you dey talk say the story no be true. He come out come explain say the budget of the full Nigeria na a little above 4 trillion. Say if person can carry 2 trillion to use do campaign, say where the money won't come from. He can also give instances. He talk say every month all the states for inside Obodo Nigeria they carry cap, government, federal government collect their share of waiting they inside the bank account of Nigeria. And with the waiting the government they do for the northeast of the country as the battle Boko Haram Jaguda people say where 2 trillion won't come out from. But so, could be. I don't look this story well. I don't read them upside down. I don't read them left to right. I don't read them from the flanks. And I don't see say this story not be waiting. You know if you just come out can't write this kind of thing.
Of course.
You need to give us
concrete
facts.
reason.
And that is the importance of investigative journalism.
Exactly.
The person will write this thing. I go speak English. The person assume an omnipresence. He just write out like say he did there when they share the money.
And he even he say a spokesperson or a top government official talk say na like this be okay. Make Kukuma mention the government official name.
He no mention.
So how we take know whether not true or not? And the fact say I still they stand on it. The fact say now they use the word alleged for everything that they talk still remains alleged. We no go come out call the talk say not true. And apart from that, which even if now somehow still talk it somehow it's not true. Maybe people like the Obas, the Ezendibos, that is people they give money at that. They go
Unkubi, now you talk that one. On that note, we will just shift enter collect this phone from Oga Francis. Oga Francis, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Francis.
Unkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
I want to shoot mark for this as it is hot.
I beg chook mouth inside Oga Francis. But first, before you do, I want to make you just help us repeat, say, we are against xenophobia.
Yes.
I want me you talk am.
Yes.
I say I want me you talk am.
Yes. Now, what do you mean I want to talk now?
Okay. If right on.
For South Africa.
Yes, continue.
Waiting with the fish too. I just say, hand of God dey inside. You know why I just say hand of God inside?
Yeah.
This one are lesson to we. When we be say, we go get our own money for this country when we want to do something. We will go carry the money, go they put up for another people country. They develop, they do that. Those things when they happen to them. So it's a lesson to us. When we get things when we want to, make we value our own things. Make we they stay here, they do the things. You dey see so we know when we feel they remember our own place like that, we know if they run away, they go other places like that. All those things whether they do to us, so look at whether if you look at the other way, whether hand of God not the inside, it's a lesson to us. Now waiting me I won't put marks, maybe that.
Thank you very much, Francis. Even though everybody gets their own opinion, but I go still like talk and say, you know, go talk say, because of say people they come out. I talk am for when we start say no nation is an island. People they come out, go invest for other countries.
And moreover,
when I go see for wetin Oga Francis talk and say our government suppose take action because if the country they very very okay, I don't believe say person go just come out. Go another country like that, say he won't go the hustle. And we will take this one from IGHO. IGHO, they call us from Abuja. Oga IGHO, good morning, sir.
Oga Shukudi, good morning. Oga Kobi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I'm not doing my television, so I don't know the discussion.
We talk about so many things, but if you want to talk about xenophobia, I know say you go want chook mouth on top.
Go shoot my foot away now.
Oh yeah, I bet carry go.
Okay. Based on that matter, when I hear the matter, I really feel bad. I never see when they say our fellow Africa like this, go they claim Oyiboma for South Africa. Say say will not be one. That is no good at all. And to this our government, you see other countries now where the thing happen. If you see the response of other countries, you say they come, they carry their people, they come out. Say the place not they safe. Other countries like Ethiopia, they fly their plane, carry their people come out. Waiting with Nigeria they do. With they wait till they go finish everybody for their first. That is no good. Make them look away. Our government they do quick response to something. They slow to everything they do. Make they try to anything like that. I can't tell you for Africa, for South Africa now. It's about to go quick response. Say see what they go do. So I think go do chap. You know good. Our government to the slow. To respond to Sokai, all of us in Africa. I don't know why South Africa they treat us like that. It's no good. And I wait till I get to talk.
Thank you very much, Agaigo. Thank you. Yes, just the same way Mr. Francis don't give your own opinion based on say look, say waiting, say if to say just as they talk, I don't believe say waiting they try to say it say our own country they well stabilized. If say our government play their own part to make sure say things they work out well for our country. No Nigeria go even want to say okay, make they go under man's country. But even at that. People they try revolve around nations. I feel travel, go another country, make a day comfortable there. Make you come that country, travel, come my own country, make you day comfortable here. True. So that integration go always exist. True. You understand? And that's why we go still sit here, they kick against xenophobia. It they very, very bad. And now something we know they good, especially among we will be blacks. May we quickly collect this call from POLYCARP. Oga POLYCARP, good morning.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwu.
Good morning, sir.
Nigeria is against xenophobia.
Yes.
And the thing what happened for South Africa, it make my blood turn. Because the fact what happened for Zimbabwe, when they come to have some people away, say they be white farmers away. People, we enough for Nigeria and Africa don't like them. But thank God that people for what I said, the former governor, Bukola Saraki, come carry those people for what I said, give them land, where then they do farm work now, they employ them for Nigeria. One proverb talks the same way the fight goes Sokoto, it's there for Sokoto. True. Many Nigerians run away from Nigeria to go to South Africa to do work where they work as the team they do for Nigeria. Because I remember the time I did for Lagos, one man say he under 2 years he make million because of carrying the so he hires trucks that goes to house and tell them say you go to carry their baby every day. So every morning they go give them bags where they go put them in front of their house. So this man will carry hire people come there carry this and throw away. So within 2 years, so you don't make 1 million, come buy your own truck also. So a lot of things we do for here, we're getting result from South Africa. So you know good. We're trying to be happy with what we get for here. And South Africa, just like I talked before, those people are lazy. When they drink that their own compound tea wine, they don't get strength to do any work. And they look for something to do. Zimbabweans and those who come from other places, they suffer. Not be saying that they collect the work where they get for office there. Now they're small traders, where they petty traders waiting for street. Now they try to survive. From the very pure water, as we see on for TV. So it's not good. Okay, look at the people where they, last week, when they tried to go to Europe, through South Africa. I think we all hear how some of the colleagues carry them for the boat, throw them inside the ocean and the sea, and they come by for that place. About 12 of them, many of them Nigerians and the Gambians. You're not even sure whether they will reach the place where they go. Because they begin to fight for the same way you never see yourself. So many Nigerians try to be contented with themselves. I've talked all this migration.
Thank you very much,
because people for Lampedusa, where did they land first before they enter Europe and Italy?
Thank you very much, Oga POLYCARP. You don't make your point. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.
It's very important to emphasize, again, say no nation island, and people get the right to move, even if they search for better life, or if they won't try their best to improve waiting they happen
at least, yes.
Other parts
maybe
of the world.
For instance, okay, our economy if you know they too strong, but if you go other countries, you go they strong, small, pass here. That is why people will say, okay, we could see whether that place go do it and go even bring more oil. Now you see they won't go take over job completely. Just anything they
to
fit
survive.
do.
On that note, okay.
On that note, we'll quickly collect this call from Moses. Moses, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Moses.
Hello, good morning, Oga Ukubi.
Good morning, Oga Moses.
Good morning, Oga Chukudi.
I greet you, Oga Moses.
Now, weather for today's show. Today, because they hotter than before own again, because they come out heavy smoke.
Thank you very much.
So, we see the ground the same. I won't condemn what the president of South Africa do and what they call him. And what they call the chief of
the king, the Zulu king.
Yes.
What they say, if you check other countries, you go back and say people from different countries, and they other countries they hold. Most take Nigeria for instance. If you take Nigerians now, you find out people they come up from different countries and they Nigeria. Why President Goodluck not tell them and go back to their various countries, say unemployment don't be too much for Nigeria. And he still keep quiet. He let everything they say that because of it, because we'll be brothers. That's why the fact then they come out for some people come out South Africa, some people come out for other African countries. And we ourselves say we'll be one African countries. If other countries now, like maybe like America, they put this kind of thing happen, and not be shame it be. Now very big slap it be for on our face. Waiting for God Francis talk, the first caller, waiting talk, say hand of God inside. I'm sure hand of God inside. Now time for our leaders, may they know say yes. If they make sure say things better for our country Nigeria, no way we say we go like more live in Nigeria they go other countries.
True.
You understand, ba?
True.
Like now, maybe if employment they on a higher rate for Nigeria now, who can leave Nigeria they go other countries again? I get one of my friends like that, they sell their father's house before they can't carry the money, they can't go abroad. Now they hustle before they come back and come back they build another house for the father. Because they don't carry money, look for job, they chop the money, they carry gradually they be capable to work. They work there. Just like Oga WARRI don't clamp this thing, our president elect don't clamp this thing now. Make him to listen to today's program so that go better better the employment rate of Nigeria, so that I think doctor can say everything go they okay. No, see that thing they okay. Me Oga WARRI watch today program make you know how it be because we make the country pursue Nigeria for that South Africa. It go very, very, very bad.
Thank you very much, Oga Moses.
My contribution for today, Vidana. Thank you for the program.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Moses. That now, Oga Moses, you don't contribute your own quota to the matter of today. And on this note, we will quickly do it. We will quickly enter market and we will come. Program as it is hot, and on today's matter we carry different Ogbonge story come on our domot. The first one we'll talk about now the xenophobia attack that they launched on immigrant for South Africa. We don't say now something we will kick against, and the callers we don't get so far don't also kick against them. We can also do it. We can also look into the strange disease. The strange disease will hit one community for that is Ode really for Ondo State where they pipe people anyhow under 24 hours. We can't talk say whether na hand of whether na mystical have been some head factor there inside. We never really know. We see they do research to find out what it be. And we can also carry the matter enter the death of one of our Ogbonge senator. That is Senator Uche Merije we by yesterday. And from Uche Merije we can't do it, we can't carry the matter, go for the news where one regular newspaper company release say Oga Jonah say make the money we give out for campaign and all that for election matter, make them return them back to RAM. And how much will they talk about? We talk about 2 trillion naira. So Chukudi,
yes, sir.
back to the matter. So still on this matter, I feel say, look, okay, still now alleged. Allegation. Allegations still remain, and the company only one media this thing, one print media this, now they release this thing.
Now the only person when give them the story, now only them in go meet.
You know, give them to others, because it's now, and that's why you say it's a normal story. Say they very viral. People for carry on. True. But the company only one. And on that note, we quickly collect this call from Linda. Linda, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Linda.
Good morning, Chukwudi. Yes. And good morning, Chukwudi.
I greet you, Madam Linda.
How are you?
Very
fine.
I just want to contribute to what you are discussing today.
Okay.
About this South Africa, what they did is very bad. Because we really helped them when they were in need. You understand? So it's good for our government to go and bring our people back to the country. We should respect ourselves and bring them back.
Abi.
Then secondly, the media that commented on good luck spending for election, they should leave good luck alone, for heaven's sake. The election has come and gone. Whatever he has spent, it doesn't matter. What I will advise PDP, let them go and re-strategize and come back, bounce back 2019. They should stop fighting each other. May God bless our country.
Thank you very much, Madam Linda. Thank you for that contribution. Yes, and just the same way Francis, IGHO, POLYCARP, and Moses kick against the xenophobia attack for this. And so Linda said, don't call now to do it, to kick against them. We will still collect this call from LARA. LARA, they call us from ABJ, Abuja. Good morning, LARA. LARA, good morning.
Good morning, LARA. Ibila said the network, they shake somehow. But another thing we need to note is say, if they won't do their investigation, if they won't carry out their finding, now the right of every Nigerian to know and get this information. But what they ask, we say, make them carry out their proper investigation. Where give us facts. There's no point saying they talk say now, this like, information when they get from so person, they no go do their own research. Even though for the report they talk say they try call the chairman of the person when we say he sit down on top of the arrangement of the campaign, say he no pick and he no reply to their text message. But una talk say some kind people collect money. Una suppose look all the whole sides of the story. No be to just hear from one person, can't go print them out, can't put that kind of money. That money they now something when we say if now invitation to anarchy. Exactly. Now invitation to anarchy because 2 trillion naira now plenty money. You cannot just insinuate. You understand? We know say if it happen, we suppose give Nigerians facts. Now one of the reasons why we say we talk about,
of course,
say, make people they address issues. You know, if you just come and talk, say this, that, substantiate your claim with facts.
And the thing is, a lot of Nigerians feel reading this thing now, don't even conclude for their own mind, say, that's so it be. You understand? And they don't go even come one further check whether other print media carry them or make them even hear from the side of the people where they involved, whether they're true or not. But because of say one particular print media don't talk them, they're not even there to do this, they don't conclude saying so it be. Now so it be. And it is very, very wrong. We go see the audience say people we want to do, they give us information on matters that concern our country. May now they do a research well. May now come up with a conclusive research and then before now we'll do it, before now we'll give us report on what I want to talk about.
Our people when they for us, they always talk and say Nigeria and our country, it don't go spoil. Our president-elect, Oga Muhammadu Buhari, don't talk say, and the collective will now we go use to move our country go forward. And Oga President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan come out talk and say we go need to make plenty sacrifice. If we join these two together, it shows say in our hand today if we really want to make our country move forward. To all the people when we say call our telephone to chook mouth for the matter. We appreciate all of our contribution. And until we come back tomorrow with another OGBONGE topic when they come out smoke. Ezugu Chukudi and Nkubi, they repeat waiting Wazobia TV.
Will they talk and they go? Will they against xenophobia? It is very, 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 very wrong. Very wrong in capital letter, boldly written capital letter. So we kick against them.
We dey against xenophobia. We no support them at all. Now bad thing, and we don't want them for inside our Obodo Africa.